Hey there, space enthusiasts and curious minds. Today, we are diving into some exciting developments happening aboard the International Space Station, or ISS. You might have heard that NASA's Expedition 74 crew is gearing up for a spacewalk, but there's so much more to this story than meets the eye. So, what's the big deal? Well, this spacewalk is all about upgrading the ISS's solar power capabilities. NASA engineers Jessica Meir and Chris Williams, along with their talented crewmates, are getting ready to install a modification kit and route cables for a brand new solar array. This isn't just a routine maintenance task, it's a significant step towards ensuring the ISS can keep up with the energy demands of future missions. You see, as the ISS ages, it's crucial to keep its power systems in top shape. This upgrade will increase the station's power generation, allowing it to support more advanced missions and technologies. It's like giving your aging laptop a new battery to keep it running smoothly for years to come. But here's where it gets really interesting. This spacewalk is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the challenges of maintaining space infrastructure. As space stations age, they require constant updates and improvements to stay operational. It's a never-ending race against time and the harsh conditions of space. NASA's commitment to this solar power upgrade demonstrates their dedication to pushing the boundaries of space exploration. They're not just maintaining the status quo, they're actively innovating to meet the evolving needs of space missions. But that's not all the Expedition 74 crew has on their plate. They're also conducting groundbreaking biomedical research, specifically focusing on vascular health in zero gravity. Cosmonauts Sergei Kudzverchkov and Sergei Mikheyev are using advanced sensors to monitor their blood vessels' response to the unique environment of space. This research is vital because, as astronauts spend extended periods in space, their bodies undergo dramatic changes, and understanding these adaptations is key to keeping them healthy. The data collected during these studies will help NASA scientists develop better health protocols and support systems for future long-duration missions to Mars and beyond. It's like a medical research lab floating in space, providing insights that could revolutionize our understanding of human health in extreme environments. And if that wasn't enough, the crew is also exploring the potential of artificial intelligence, AI, to enhance space operations. AI-powered tools are being tested to improve crew efficiency and communication with mission control. Imagine having an AI assistant that helps astronauts make real-time decisions, reducing their workload and ensuring their safety. This technology could be a game-changer for space exploration, especially during emergencies when every second counts. In my opinion, what makes all of this truly fascinating is the intersection of human ingenuity and technological innovation. NASA is not just sending people into space, they're creating a sustainable, adaptable ecosystem that can support long-term exploration. From solar power upgrades to biomedical research and AI integration, every aspect is carefully designed to overcome the challenges of space travel. Personally, I find it inspiring to see how these astronauts and scientists are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. They're not just exploring space, they're shaping the future of space exploration, one innovation at a time. So, the next time you look up at the night sky and spot the ISS, remember the incredible work happening up there and the dedicated individuals who are making it all possible.